I wanna do is see you turn into a giant woman, a giant woman. All I wanna be is someone who gets to see a giant woman. All I wanna do is help you turn into a giant woman, a giant woman. All I wanna be is someone who gets to see a giant woman. Oh, I know it'll be great, and I just can't wait to see the person you are together. If you give it a chance, you could do a huge dance because you are a giant woman. You might even like being together, and if you don't, it won't be forever. But if it were me, I'd really wanna be a giant woman, a giant woman. All I wanna do is see you turn into a giant woman.
Hey everyone, I'm back. 4 days in a row, baby. Count them four. I love it. I've been very consistent. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Huh. A certain trap is here. I'm going to have to disarm this trap. That movie. It's a pretty bad movie. It was an insult to all Nintendo fans. I didn't know it was going to be this bad. So bad, man. I seen clips of the movie before watching it, but it was just it was just bad. I'm not armed. Oh, good. Then this will be a lot easier. You're gonna die today, Trap. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, so today we're going to be working on another game jam. Because I just can't stop joining game jams. It's just so cool. And come on, and the game jam's theme for this one is Death is a New Beginning. That's literally a roguelike. I'm gonna make a roguelike, but it's gonna be super simple because I don't want to make it too complicated, or else I'm not gonna finish it. And I want to finish this one. So let's at least get some concepts down. Uh, why is this taking forever to start up? Ooh, there's an update to Clip Studio. Clip Studio Paint. Spring update coming on April 9th. Oh, that's in 5 days. Okay. Look forward to easier handling of Bezier curves and vector lines. Ooh, that's promising. All right. As well as the ability to copy and paste to the center of the canvas window. I don't want that, but that's cool. That's cool. Actually, yeah, I can see that being useful. Wow. Updates to all the vector stuff. That's super useful. I love it. Also, by the way, we're at version 1.9.9. We're almost to version 2. It's going to be crazy. Clones. Lots of clones constantly dying to solve a puzzle. Lots of clones constantly dying to solve. Oh, as an idea? Oh, cool. That sounds interesting. I don't really like making puzzle games though, because Even though I like doing puzzles, I don't like making puzzles because I'm not. I don't feel like I'm that smart. I was thinking. Um, I don't know. I said I don't want to make this complicated, but I was thinking like a super simple strategy game, like a tactical strategy game, I should say. I guess that's just tactical. Whatever. It's gonna be like grid based and like the player can like just use the mouse to move and attack and stuff, turn based and stuff like that. Or I can just make it like a arena battle um, action game. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Has armed. Tell him about my new Sonic RC. Oh yeah, Trap. Josh has the new Sonic OC. His name is Random the Hedgehog. You should see his little head. Um, excuse me. You should see his design, I should say. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can. I wonder if I can enlarge this. Oh, I can. Let's see. See, look at that. He's so cool. He's a red hedgehog. It's too random. I don't like it. Well, frick you too. You're too trappy. That's funny. You're funny. All right. Let's open up a page so that we can get the concepting. Uh, oh, that's right. I need a custom one. Actually, no. I don't need it to be that big, actually. We can just make it this. Boop. Alright, let's see. That's our game. Scribble. So yeah, I was thinking like an arena. With like a crowd over here. These are the crowd. These are the crowd people. And then like on a grid. We can have like an enemy slime over here, and the player can be over here. And then they can use the mouse to like click like move over here or move over here, depending on how many spaces they can move. Um, let's see. Let's give the slime some eyes. He's a little slime boy. Let me put on some music. It's still quiet. Let's see. Excuse me. And let's see. Every time the enemy dies, it releases his soul. And it goes straight to you. And you collect it. You keep collecting enemy souls. Maybe you can use the souls as currency to buy like different upgrades or weapons. And then and you'll keep the souls even after you die. And you can use it to buy like permanent upgrades for your next run or something like that. Yeah, that can work. Health can be up here. Maybe we give them magic or something. HP. Hold on. Let me erase that. HP. MP. And I can easily make the grid with the built-in tile map system in Unity. Look, Trap. I'm sorry. Josh is very sorry. Then we can have like a little soul counter. Let's see, a menu would come up to either like move, attack, if you're near an opponent, or use an item. So move, attack, items. And you would do it, and then it would be the next, and then it would be the enemy's turn. Blah, 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 blah. Super simple stuff.
side of hell to sing with delight. Play the notes that I require, these will please my desires. You have given me the tools to restart this fire. It's a twisted fate that controls us and then treats us. Hyper temperature, no one thinks it's been to blame. Now it brought him to his knees. The only hope to escape this is to embrace this. We need your help to keep this demon at bay. Let's end this today. You're the conductor of this
completely forgot. We did that little fucking rocket ship song.
Oh yeah.
I'm a fucking rocket ship. I got a shield in front of me. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I'm flying through the sky at the speed of light. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. Here I am, a rocket ship. I don't know what this song's about. I'm a fucking rocket ship. Flying through the sky at the speed of light. I wanna see the stars, it's my favorite thing in the whole world. I wanna see the stars, it's my favorite thing in the whole world. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I got a shield in front of me. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I'm flying through the sky at the speed of light. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. If you don't believe in yourself, you're a fucking coward. No one likes a coward rocket. Aiming for the target. Damn it, I'm Kirby. They wanna see the stars, it's my favorite thing in the whole world. I wanna see the stars, it's my favorite thing in the whole world. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I got a shield in front of me. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I'm flying through the sky at the speed of light. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. You don't need anybody. Rocket ship. You don't need anybody. Rocket ship. You don't need anybody. You don't need anybody to believe in you when you believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I got a shield in front of me. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I'm flying through the sky at the speed of light. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm Kirby. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I got a shield in front of me. Oh yeah. I'm a rocket ship. I'm a fucking rocket ship. I'm flying through the sky at the speed of light. Oh yeah. I wanna see the stars. I wanna see the stars. It's my favorite thing in the whole world.
voice of why I'm so hollow. Please give me instructions, I promise I'll follow. I tripped on my ankle and fractured my elbow, but doesn't that mean that the tour's gonna sell? Though I try to explain the good faith that's been wasted, but after an hour it sounds like complaining. Wait, don't go away, can I lie here forever? You say that I'm better, why don't I feel better? The universe works in mysterious ways, but I'm starting to think it ain't working for me. Doctor, should I be good? Should I be good this year? Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Here comes a thought that might alarm you. What someone said and how it harmed you. Something you did that felt to be charming. Things that you said are suddenly swarming, and oh, you're losing sight, you're losing touch. All these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse you, that I might lose you. Take a moment, remind yourself to take a moment and find yourself. Take a moment to ask yourself if this is how we fall apart. But it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. You've got nothing, got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to fear. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. Here comes a thought that might alarm me. What someone said and how it harmed me. Something I did that failed to be charming. Things that I said are suddenly swarming, and oh, I'm losing sight, I'm losing touch. All these little things seem to matter so much that they confuse me, that I might lose me. Take a moment, remind yourself to take a moment and find yourself. Take a moment and ask yourself if this is how we fell apart. But it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not, but it's not. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I've got nothing, got nothing, got nothing, got nothing to fear. I'm here, I'm here, I'm here. And it was just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought, just a thought. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We can watch, we can watch, we can watch, we can watch them go by. From here, from here, from here. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Take a moment to think of just flexibility, love, and trust. Colors weave into a spider of flame. Distant sparks glow to a past in one name. Bear this torch against the cold of the night. Search your soul and reawaken the undying light. On that day when the sky fell away, our world came to an end. In our eyes did a fading sunrise in the dark, glimmering shadows. Silence grows in the spaces between, stretching out beyond time. Rising up as the chorus of souls finds a voice, flickering through the void. These little
Whoops. Whoops. I accidentally hit the mute button on my mic. I wonder how long I was muted for. Shoot. Thanks, Multicrane. But yeah, welcome to the stream. Whoops, wrong button. We're just waiting for Unity to start up. It takes forever. It was the power of the dark side. I blame you, Trap. Where destiny holds fast, here where we stand, hand clenched in hand, everyone caught in the struggle. Stepping into our tomorrow. Growing louder as the calls to unite. I just got done drawing a collab King DDD with a random streamer who dropped in. Who I dropped in on. Oh, wow. Nice! Sorry I wasn't there. I was doing this. I'm doing like a game jam. I accept my faith as the evil mastermind. Good. Convinced him to do one of those collab drawings that I normally do. Nice. The last one that we did was freaking fun. I loved it. The Phineas and Ferb stuff. Oh my god. That was so good. Turned out fantastic. Nice. Good job, dude. I'm glad you had fun. Is the drawing online? Oh yeah, let's see the drawing. I want to see it. So I can showcase it here on my stream. It's no prob, I wasn't streaming anyways. And yeah, it was online. Use agio.io. Sweet. Ooh, excuse me. Is this done yet? It is not done yet. Oh, I dropped 48 frames somewhere. Well, at least it's better than last streams. I was dropping frames like crazy. Oh, I sent it via Discord. Sweet. Let me check that out. Cause the world might zoom me in. It's alright, cause I'm with friends. I'm giving up again. It doesn't. Wow. Hold on. Let me show this. And it's what I hate. Look at that. It's King Dedede. Look at his strong arms. He's strong. Funny thing is, that's canon. Because Strong DDD was in a freaking Kirby game. It was crazy. Look at Kirby holding the cross. He's like, this is not my Christian server. That's hilarious. That's awesome. I like the shading too. It's pretty nice. Oh, look at DDD. He's so happy. that right there is an emote. That's a new emote right there. that's funny as shit, isn't it? Dude, it looks like you guys had a lot of fun. Oh, you had 3 people drawing it. Oh, nice. Doesn't matter. I a camping up the ghost. That's the face you make when you've done all the drugs and lived. I can't believe he lived through that, man. Did you see his face? Looks like he hit heaven. Alright, it's finally up. Let me, do this. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I was looking dead at it. Alright. Let me close down a sprite real quick. Yeah, I can close it down. It doesn't really take up that much processing power, but I'm gonna take it out anyways. Okay, let's set up these folders first and foremost. Sprites. Oh yeah. This time I might just disappear. Alright, single pixels per unit. I actually don't remember. Let me actually see how this looks first. Alright, so let's play around with the pixels per unit. 32. Let's save that. Apply. Okay. That's actually not that bad. Yeah, 32 is perfect. Alright. 32. Point, no filter. No quality. Apply. Yeah, there we go. Everything's looking honky-dory so far. Alright, so background. Temporarily, let's create an empty. Oops. Didn't meant to do that. Let's call it player unit. And now I wonder, is this your town or mine? It doesn't matter how it's told in the end. As long as I'm alive, we'll still make amends. Alright, so I have to download two things for this. The Pixel Perfect camera and DoTween. Pixel Perfect camera is going to make everything look oh so great. And DoTween is going to help me animate some of their attacks. Package manager. You guys can't see this, so let me just... Oh, I completely forgot to press OK. So let me actually use the display capture for now. Here we go. Pixel perfect camera. Install. Oh, I also need to install the 2D tile editor. That's like the main component of my whole game. So I can't forget that. Do it. I will do it. I'm doing it right now. Cinemachine pixel perfect. Ah, interesting. I guess it works with Cinemachine too. This also has 2D PSD importer, but I don't use Photoshop files, so it's completely useless to me. Alright, tile map editor is a package that contains editor functionalities for editing tile maps. Oh, it's already installed. Yeah, it's already installed. Cool. Nice. Alright, then next thing we need is DoTween. We need to go to the asset store for this one. Oh, it's right there. The tab's right there. Oh, I can't forget to, this is small as fuck. Let's throw our hands to the wind, cause we're not looking back. Oh wait, no, not favorites. Shoot, I meant to go to that one. Although that might be the same thing. Yeah, I don't care. Here we go, DoTween. Yeah, that's what I need, DoTween. Download. I've been thinking about making my own API, or at least my own, I think it's called API, like my own like tools to help me with coding and stuff. It'll help me do like simple coding techniques and stuff, and have a dialogue system and all that crap. I'll call it Dex Tools. I'll probably put it on the asset store too for everyone to use. It'll be convenient. It'll be various tools that I use, various systems like the dialogue system, a simple math system for coding. Yeah, that'll be cool. Oh, I already downloaded. Import. Let's see, I want to import everything except examples, unless there is no examples, in which case I want to download everything. DoTween editor, upgrade manager, tween icon, footer, header, tween module, audio, physics, sprite, all that jazz. Yep, seems good. Import. I'll come and go, was waiting for the world to end. Now that the truth is just a rule that you can bend. You crack the whip, shape shift and trick the past again. Send you my love on the wire. Lifts you up every time. Everyone pulls away from you. Ooh, DoTween setup required. Select setup DoTween in DoTween's utility panel to set it up and add/remove modules. Important in case of upgrade. If you're upgrading from a DoTween version older than that or Pro older than that, before the introduction, blah blah blah, you'll see lots of errors. Follow these instructions, fix them, close and upgrade. No, I'm not upgrading, so this should be fine. Open DoTween utility panel. Ooh. Setup. Waiting for Unity to finish the compilation progress. Okay.
In outer space. Now that the truth is just a rule that you combat. You crack the whip, shape shift and trick the past again.
Send you my love on the wire. Lifts you up every time. Everyone pulls away. I'm guessing I want at least some of this stuff, so I'll just put apply. Cool. I think that's it. Yeah, cool. Oh wait. Uh Ooh. Interesting. Set assets resources. There is no resources. How dare you lie to me? Or maybe I'm blind. No, I'm not blind. Alright, fine, whatever. Okay, so now that that's done, we can do the super cool task of setting up the pixel camera. How do I do this again? I think I have to add component of the pixel camera. Yeah, here we go. Pixel perfect camera. The assets pixels per unit is 32. Thank you very much. Let's see. I think I want most of this checked. Shoot. What's the size of this image? I completely forgot. Hello? Thank you. That was weird. 480 by 270. Perfect. Now it's perfectly shaped. Now if we hit play... Whoops, it's not maximized. Hold on. Well, you'll see black borders if it's too big, but if you maximize on play and then press play, you'll just see, you know, this view and everything else will be black, which is perfect. Now, the thing about the Pixel Perfect camera, everything will be pixelized, basically. So it's essentially pixel perfect. I'm not sure if... No, I don't want stretch fill. Do I do upscale rendering texture? I think I do. I'll leave it on for now. Because I think that's what I did last time. Okay. We should be all set up and good to go. Let's start actually coding. Let's create a new folder for the scripts. I'm going to create a new C# script called unit. It is not going to be on a excuse me. It is not going to be on a game object. You'll see why. Please open up. It's going to be the base script for all the units on the screen, which includes the player, the enemies, and the allies, if any. It's funny. I know exactly how I want this, how I want to code this, but I have never done like a turn-based thing like this. I mean, I've done it in like different game engines, like RPG Maker. So I understand the systems of how it works. So like, this should be fun. We just gotta wait a million years for Visual Studios to start up. I don't know why it still opens up Visual Studio 2017. Visual Studio 2019 is clearly a thing, but it doesn't use it. It's kind of weird. Eventually, we shall start the coding. Eventually. Do, 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 do. So, how was everybody's night tonight? Had a great day today? One by one, these go. Is there nothing you have to show? It's a city learning new. It's somehow to something new. Let's take on our world. Acting answers for you. Riding to the top. Step by step, we just won't stop. Now I can feel my heart drop. Maybe I can see that we're meant to be. Riding to the top. Step by step, we just won't stop. Now I can feel my heart drop. Maybe I can see that we're meant to be. Maybe hiding in your eyes. Alright, we don't need mono behavior. Because again, this is not going to be on a attached to an object. Right into the top. Step by step, we just won't stop. Hey, sup, I'm Joel. Welcome to the stream. I'm vibing, bro. Yep, I'm majorly vibing. Oh, are you vibing? I'm winding down. It's been a busy day. That's true. Yeah, busy torturing us. Thanks, Trap. uh, we do since it's not being attached to a object. We don't need start or update. Here's what we need. We need public int. Int or float? Let's go with int. Health? No, not health. We'll manage that for the player, the enemies and the player thing. So this can be attack. We can have defense. We can have movement, how far they can move. I'm trying to think what else we would need. You know, I might actually need, no, I don't think I need that. I don't want to make it too complicated. Gotta make it simple. That was only one part of the day. Oh, I see. So, torturing us wasn't even, that big of a deal. Pfft, I see how it is. Attack, defense, movement. What else do I want? I can't really think of anything, so we'll just leave it like that. We can add other stuff to this, but some other time. Alright, let's save. Go back into Unity. No, Unity. Let it compile the scripts. Okay, so we're going to have another script to utilize the unit script stuff. We're going to call it... I'm blanking. Sorry. Unit controller. This will be attached to a script. In fact, we're going to put it on the player unit. Whenever Unity wants me to do stuff. Alright, let's open it up. Oh wow, nice. It's working. Actually working and stuff. Last time, so I updated Visual Studio because it was kind of broken on me to see if I can fix it, and yeah, it did fix it. So there's two ways to access the unit script. We can either replace model behavior with unit, but the thing is, since it's going to be attached to an object, we need model behavior. So the other way to do it is to take a reference instance of it. We'll call it. Wait, do I want to do it like that though? Hold on a sec. Let me actually look at my other scripts to see how I did it with the other RPG stuff. So give me a sec. Look, if it makes you feel any better, I promise not to torture you like that again anytime soon. Good. It was horrible. Nah, it's fine. I watch bad movies for a living when I was a little kid. I've been watered down by it. But it was still annoying and I hated it. File Explorer. Where did I put it at? I think I put it in Documents. Unity Projects. Where did I test this out at? I tested out in... Where is it? Alright, let me, Oh, I called it Project Sci-Fi Money, not Sci-Fi Money Project. That's confusing. Scripts. Actually, no, that's not the one I want to look at. Yeah, that's not the one I want. Stat. Basic stats. Oh, it does take it from there. Interesting. Oh, because this is... Okay, yeah. So how is basic stats used? Where's player controller? Oh, it derives from basic stats. Okay. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Alright, new plan. Unit is going to derive from mono behavior. It's just not going to be attached to an object. And then we're going to have this derive from unit. Alright, so now it has all the stats that is derived from unit, which is attack, defense, and movement. So the only thing that it needs is its health. The reason why I did it like this is because health has... We need to set the health's max in controller. Although, I guess I could put it in unit. Also, that needs to be private. Just goes to show that we've come a long way with video game movies. Oh yeah, hell of a long way. You kidding? Freak, man. I'm so glad it's better. Public, enum, uh... Into a spire of flame, distant sparks call to a pastel on... I may not need this enum, but I'm gonna make it anyways, just in case. I also need... Oh, no, wait, no. We can put that in the game controller. Player, enemy, ally. And then we can go over here and... Public... Who... call it... Who is this? Bear this torch. Actually, I think it needs to be equal to something. Actually, no, it doesn't. It's fine. Okay, so we need... let me save and go back to Unity. Just gotta wait. There we go. all those stats. Let's set these stats right now. Let's make attack 5, defense, I don't know, 4. Movement, 2, he can move 2 spaces. Health, 20. 15. And this is the player. It's like, who is this? This is the player. I should actually put that on top. Oh wait, I can't put it on top because the stats go first. Okay, well, whatever. Now I'm trying to think what I need. Let's make another empty. I keep doing that. Game manager. Make a new script. Actually, no, let's put it in. Well, actually, yeah, let's put it in here. So I don't have to move it later. Game manager. Why does it have that symbol? I did make it a C sharp, right? Okay. Whatever. I'm guessing, I guess DoTween automatically makes any script named Game Manager have that. Let me double check to see if there's no Game Manager in these folders, so it doesn't like clash or whatever. No, it doesn't seem like it. Let me see the README file. Important! Importante! Oh, I don't care about that. If you're upgrading... No, I'm not upgrading. Getting started. After importing a new update, select between... Doesn't want to press setup. You can also access the preference tab from there to choose default settings for DoTween. In your code, add using dg.tweening to each class where you want to use DoTween. Okay. That's what I wanted to know, actually. That's good to know. You're ready to tween. Check out the links below for full documentation and license info. Cool. That's super useful. Alright. So, I'll never know why that's a gear. But whatever. Let's open it up. Alright. Public. Enum. Let's call it turns? Turn. Let's just call it turn. Alright, so this will determine what turn it is. Whose turn is it? We can go player, enemy, ally, standby, and start. It's good to have like a standby turn base. I'm adding a start because I might want to set things up before I actually start the battle. So then it'll go start, then go into standby to check any like passive items that are like, if it's at the start of the turn, throw a fireball or something like that. Or if it's the enemy's turn, lower its attack or something like that. And I'll play standby every other after every turn. So it'll go start, standby, player's turn, standby, enemy's turn, standby, ally's turn, standby, player's turn, standby, enemy, etc., etc. I'm thinking if I want to add a end turn too, like an end screen, like a results screen. Yeah, let's do that. End. All right, public enum. Nope, not enum. Turn. Public turn. Uh, public turn. Turn. Okay, what else do we need for the game manager? We need to have references of how many enemies there are and uh, the reference of the player. So we need a private, because we're going to do this in script, a private game object array. Do I want to do game object? Yes, I want to do game object. Game object array called enemies. And then a private... Actually, no, let's make this one public, because I can easily just plug in the player because there's only one player. Oops. Public game object player. So there's no need to search for him. We're also going to have... actually, no. I was going to say we're going to have an array of game objects for any allies, but I don't want to code in the allies yet. So on start, we're going to call a method called find enemies. No, find all enemies. It does not exist yet, so let's make it happen. Public. Actually, I might make that private, because it's only going to be called by the game manager. Private void find all... Oops. Find all enemies. Since this is only going to happen once, at the beginning of the probably at the beginning of the battle, I should say. We should probably say if turn equals equals turn dot start. Then it does this thing. I spelled turn wrong. I spelled it wrong again. Jesus. Search for all enemies. Hold on, let me see if I can do... Enemies equals find... Can I only find objects of type? I guess, yeah, I guess we can do that then. Find objects of type unit controller. And then we can filter out the player from that list using a for loop. Or we can do a for each loop. That can be fine. Okay, all I need is you. I think that's how that works. Cannot explicitly convert type. Right. You know what? let's make this an array of unit controllers. That way it'll be easier. For each variable, let's call it X, I don't care. In enemies, if X dot I forgot what I called it. Who? If X dot who is this equals who dot player, then we can push them out the array. I think that's how that works. Enemies. Oh, whoops. I think I need a regular for loop. Hold on a sec. My bad. Trial and error, that's how we do it, guys. Alright. What do I need from this? Equals, get components, invoke. Wait, am I doing this right? Oh, I'm probably not. Here we go. This is what I want. Clone copy equals. How many say so? Or is that what I want? Shoot, I forget how this works. Guess what? I heard the story over and over again. She is well to finally meet her other friends. Oh, you know what? I'm probably thinking of a list. I thought array is what I needed. But that's not exactly working, is it? Yeah, that's not working. Let's try a list. Private list of unit controllers. New list. Shoot. Friends. I think this should work. Hmm. I think I would have to add it to the list in like another for loop. I think. Or maybe I need another method. I don't know. This is all so new to me. Oh, that worked. Somehow. Alright, cool. Alright, so now I need to do... Okay, so now I think for this I need a for each loop. If x dot, what was it? That equals who dot player enemies dot remove. Here we go. And then plug in X. There we go. I did it. I figured it out. Woo! Ooh, excuse me. I think on start I want to set the turn to start. I mean, that only makes sense, right? The sticky wheels always giving the peace. I'm totally devoted to disturbing the peace, and I'll do it all again when I get it done. Before I become your number one. All right, now I want to draw out a debug log to see how many enemies it picked up. If I can make you stop and take a look at me instead of just walking by. There's nothing that I wouldn't do if it was getting you to notice I'm alive. All I need is every chance, a second thought, a second glance or through. I got whatever it takes. Stand out. Non-conceivable member count can't be used like a method. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let's save. Let's create the enemy. Tomorrow is the only face you'll see. Gonna stand out. Do you notice me? Let's duplicate the player unit and rename it to enemy unit. We're going to change this to enemy, have his health be like super low, like 5. His attack be like 2. His defense 1, movement 1. Is a weak enemy. We'll change its sprite to the this. Alright, so player, let's tag him with the player, and we can tag him with, there's no enemy tag. There we go. Alright, let's color this bad boy. He looks like a stone right now. Once I mess with this, he's going to be green. Ooh, a little bit too green. Oh man, I didn't want his eyes to be freak. I forgot about that. Oh well, it'll just be shiny green eyes. I don't care. I mean, it kind of worked. Eh. We'll use this for now. Oh. There we go. Yeah, we'll use that for now. Do 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 do. Alright, so if we play the game, or start the game, not play the game, because we can't really play it. Oh, I didn't mean to freak. Hold on. Yeah, I get an error because I forgot to plug in stuff. Let me turn that off. Go to the game manager and put in the player unit. And then we play. Oh, actually, I think it's throwing a different error. Interesting. Unplay the game, please. Invalid operation exception. Collection was modified. Enumeration operation may not execute. What does that mean? It's not telling me. It's not sending me to the line of code that it's talking about. But when we play it, it will be glorious. Hopefully. That's the plan, Stan. So yeah, why did I get that error? Collection was modified. Enumeration operation may not execute. I don't understand. Bum bum bum. We keep on trying. Stay together and find a place worth fighting for. I'm on the road. Wait, I thought I made it private. Oh, I made it public. I'm an idiot. Well, since it's public, I might as well... Oh, hold on. Let me play the game and actually see if it gets changed. Oh, wait. It's not gonna get changed, idiot! Because I commented out this. Let's try that again. Okay, it does get changed. But it doesn't change as fast as I want it to, I guess. Let's comment this out. Let's change it in here. Oh, whoops, I forgot to stop the game. Stop! Alright, start. Gotta train hard. That's so weird. I don't understand what's happening. And it's not exactly telling me what's happening. Interesting. Oh, wait. I want to try out that new thing. I mean, it's not new, but it's new to me. I think it was like, Alt. Yeah, there we go. Alright, it still plays. So it could be here. Interesting. That time I played twice, so it must have detected the enemy and the player. And when it tried to remove the player, it didn't do that. Why didn't it do that? Oh! No, wait, no. That's not it. Dun, 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 dun. I need to check one more thing. Ah, I keep forgetting to stop the game before I change the code. Interesting. Yeah, so there's a problem with this. I think. Testing it out again to see if I'm not right about that. I could be. I think I know one solution to fix it, but I just want to make sure. The next time you forget to stop the game, the planet might explode. Yeah, the game planet in the game. Oh, it still plays. Interesting. So then, why doesn't this play? I don't understand. Let me see something. Okay, no, it's not that. Just wanted to make sure. Why? The fuck? What's happening? That was weird. Okay, let's try this. That shouldn't be the case, but I want to make sure. Oh, whoops. Forgot to... Oh, wait, no, it should be... Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, the game planet. Hey. You think however you want, alright? It's still doing that. Why won't it tell me, though? Okay, I got another idea. Let's change this back to variable, because that wasn't it. I'm gonna try... Oh, wait, no, that's for that. Damn. Oh, this is annoying. Okay, how about this? Okay, yeah. Okay, I got it. How about this? Let's make a local array. Um, oh man, then I run into the problem that I had before. I'm running in circles. Oh my god. Shoot. Why is this so hard? This should have worked, but I keep having a stupid error and it's not telling me what the hell it is. me try this. Let's try that. Wait, no. There we go. Let's try that. Oh, Jesus. This is a stupid hack method, and it shouldn't work. But if it does, it's very stupid how it works. Shit, it works. That's very stupid. Look inside yourself, Dexter. You are more than what you have become. You must take your place in the great circle of game developers. There's a circle? I want to join. They probably have, like, many game sessions all the time. Oh, what's this? Oh, it has a little log. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, so... Wait a minute. 2. That's not right. There should be 1. Interesting. I want to test something out. I actually know why that that error kept happening, which is very interesting. I actually could have used the for loop, I think. I'll have to test that out. It still says 2. How is that possible? Is the remove method not even working? Maybe I'm using the wrong method to count how many that's in it. Maybe I don't need count, I need something else. Maybe I need capacity? Contains... No, I don't need contains. Oh, wait, you know what I just realized? I think I used the wrong for each. I think I was supposed to use the list for each right here. I think I was supposed to... That's what I was going for. Doesn't matter now, because, I made this already. I'm gonna try capacity. See if that works. So, if it's capacity, this should still be 2, and then once I add in the removing code, then it should say 1. Now it says 4! Last time I checked, there's only 2 enemies, or 2 unit controllers. The fuck? Oh my god. Why is this beating me ass? Why is it beating me ass?
Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more than peace and love on the planet Earth? Whoa, come on and sing it with me. Sing? The words relate to the key. If it's a pattern, just repeat it.
Oh boy.
Life and death and love and birth. Life and death and love and birth. Now you sing me, fa, mi, ti, la. And peace.
Why is this so hard?
Yes, that's it. That's so easy. Yeah, but that's what's fun about it. You should write something. You should write a song. About what? Whatever you're thinking. I guess we're already here. I guess we already know.
If I had a different way to find all the enemies without including the player,
I think you're all insane. But I guess I am.
wish I could find by tag and not by type.
Stuck on Earth with you. Yes! Life and death and love and birth and life and death and love and birth and life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet. Is there anything that's worth more? Is there anything that's worth more than peace and love on the planet? The song is Still Not Giving Up. Hey there, have you heard about the infamous gem war? Well, it all started long before I was born. Thousands of years of fighting to protect the human race. It's been pretty tough keeping up the pace. I sure have made my fair share of mistakes. I didn't know that rose quartz was such a big deal. There's some wounds that even healing powers can't.
Why is just counting enemies is freaking stopping me? It's annoying the heck out of me. Actually, you know what? That's always been a problem in any game that I made. Because it was a problem in Sparky Sparky Boom Guy. I needed to know how many enemies was in the stupid thing. Alright, how did I do it in Sparky Sparky Boom Guy? Because I'm getting defeated already. Jesus. No, not sprites. I meant to put in scripts. Been hellbent by eBay. Hell bent on loving you all day long. Oh, that's right. I didn't make a game manager. I made a main menu. No, a menu manager. Like an idiot. Where is it? Menu script. Oh, I think it's. I think it was a menu script actually. Yeah, here we go. I think that's it. I said, all I need is, all I need is, all I need is you. Hmm. Team manager. Oh, hold on. I don't think it was that one. Which script was it? It's not this one. I don't think so. Yeah, no. Wait. Yeah, no, it's not this one. What? What? Time to move on with all our lives. Oh, was it Map Destroyer? No, it doesn't look like it. That's really nice. Here I fucking go. I do eventually have to look at this code later on, so I'm just gonna put this over here. I think it was the menu script, but I can't find where it counts the enemies. Unless, game object, text, lives, player, spawn point, buttons, tile map. I don't believe it. I'm sorry. Tuna Lachinado, word 'em up. Yeah, bring it back, back.
That's just who I am, and you're gonna like it.
Alright, plan B. Let's find the enemy controller. Because I know they're connected with the whatever script that controls how many enemies are on the stage. I do it in Hat Manager? The freak? Man, my code sucks. Where the hell is Hat Manager? Yeah. Public int number of enemies. Interesting. Count enemies, enemy controllers, blah blah blah. Okay, so I do find objects of type. But since I'm using unit controller for both the enemy and the player, that doesn't really work. Thought I could take the player out, but I guess not. Whatever. I'll figure it out later. I'll just comment that out. What can I work on next? Real quick. See you later. Oh, I still need to count how many enemies there are so I can properly set up the turns. I hate this. This is annoying me. Alright. I think, what other script can I add to the enemy that's unique to the enemy and not the player? I guess enemy logic? Let me create a script called enemy logic. Why did this come up? Alright, let's add this there. Let's change... okay. Uncomment this out. Search for enemies of type... enemy logic. We don't need this. We don't need any of this, actually. Because we're not trying to find the player. Alright. I don't want to test that out right now because, actually, let me test it out, because it'll say 1. Yeah, there we go. 1. Alright, good. I'll put an enemy logic later. Because I think I have a whole thing that I want to do with it. For now, I need to, what do I need to do? I need to set it up so that they can move within the grid and everything. But that's gonna take a while. So what should I work on first then? Interesting. If they're numbered, then does this technically work? A cast. Interesting. So it can kind of work. Not really. What if I do... No, I can't do that. Okay. Let me look at my map destroyer code from... Oh, it disappeared. Why did it disappear? Let me look at this for a little bit. I need UniEngine.tileMaps, a reference to the tile map. I don't think I actually need tiles. I just need the tile map. Tile map dot world to sell. World position. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Game. I think the game manager needs using Unity engine dot tile maps. Public tile map. Tile map. Now, let's look at the tile map's different options that I can do. Tile map dot... What are tile flags? Add tile flags onto the tile at the given position. You can do that? What are tile flags used for? Excuse me. Very interesting. Box fill. Does a box fill with the given. Starts with given coordinates and fills the limits from start to end. Wow, interesting. Returns the boundaries of the tile map in cell size. The boundaries of the tile map. Hmm. Very interesting. I think I want to make the tile map before I start messing with that. So let's go back into Unity. Right, palettes. Okay. Let's make a folder called palette. Now, how do I make a tile map? I completely forgot. Tile palette. Interesting. Create a new palette and a drop down above. Do I want a palette? Because I just want the benefits of the tile map. I don't want to actually use it for cosmetic purposes. Unless I have to. I wonder. Interesting. Let me create the folder tiles, because I think I need to make a tile. What song is this? Oh, you added a song. Work it out. Oh, shoot. Why did it... Oh. Oh, I have to name the tile. Test tile. I don't know. Ooh, that's a cool little symbol. That's a new symbol to this Unity. That's pretty cool. Alright, new palette. Test palette. Yeah, rectangle. Cell size manual. That's what I want. Interesting. Whoops. Oh, damn it, I have to do it again. Test palette. Rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. X is 11, Y is 5. Right? Yeah, I think that's right. Great. Oh, folder. Alright, then we can drag the test tile. Drag the test tile, thank you. Oh, why is it a rectangle? Oh, is it... Wait. Edit. Oh, did I do that wrong? Hold on. shoot. I need to use a sprite for... Let's use you. Does that work? What's happening here? Oh, yeah. I did it wrong. Whoops. Okay. Let's go into the palette. Can I delete from here? I cannot. Delete. 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 Create new palette. Test palette. Rectangle. Yeah, great. Oh! Idiot, I forgot. You make a tile map through here, right? Not in UI. 2D object. Here it is, tile map. Okay, I got it. Where'd it go? Oh, grid, right here. Let's name it... Actually, grid is fine. Grid is actually pretty perfect. It is not a line of how I want it to be. How do I guess I have to move it physically? I do! Okay, cool. Let me zoom in and make sure I'm doing this right. Before the song ends, you might want to look at the YouTube video it's playing from. Oh, shoot. Pause. Crap, what did I just do? Oh, I opened it. Okay, cool. It's taking forever to load. '20th anniversary. Pause. Please read. This is a track from British vocalist Teresa Jane Davis, fan composed 20th anniversary album. That was pretty cool. What was I looking at? That's the singer of all the Sonic R songs. Oh, really? Huh. I'm not gonna lie. Kinda thought she was black. I'm not gonna lie. That's surprising. Cool. Interesting. Yeah, I think that works. Yeah, that works perfectly. Alright, good. Wait, no, hold on. Let me double check. Uh, kind of goes off a bit, but perfectly enough, I guess. Eh, good enough. Alright, so that's good, but uh Me too. Oh, good. I wasn't the only one. Thank God. Oh, I might want to put back on the music. Man, that's super surprising. Cell size, cells gap. Swizzle. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay, so, um, I guess I'm a little bit confused. How I should do this? Because I never really extensively worked with tiles like this. I don't know how. Wait, the grid is not the tile map? What's happening here? Oh, here it is. Tile anchor, orientation XY. Sort order bottom left. Interesting. I am a bit of loneliness. This is very confusing. I feel like I threw myself into this not even knowing the freak I'm doing, which is, very true anyways. Just goes to show you it doesn't matter what race you are, if you've got some soul in your voice, let the world know about it. Yeah! Yeah! If you got that inner blackness into you, then go for it. just just don't say just don't be running around saying I'm black when you're white. That's just weird. Unless you're an albino, like Tobias from Black Lantern. Okay, honestly, I have no idea where to go from here. I don't know how to work the tile map. I could stare at all the methods it has, but it's not really going to help me. I'm the tallest of mountains, I am the roughest of waves. I'm the toughest of terrors, I am the darkest of days. Oh, what the heck happened? Returns true if the tile map contains the given. Only hurt as you let it, so if you think you can take me, then you should go on, forget it. You're back for more. I guess I could make a tile to fill out the areas of the tile map that I want. But that means I need a different sprite. So let's go back into a sprite. Nah, do the other thing and let other people think you're black, and then allow them to be pleasantly surprised. Yeah, that works. It worked today, so that's the difference of you and me. Excuse me. So look around you and tell me what you really see. I'm never lying, that's the difference in you and me. I had the power, let me show you what it's all about. It's only me and you who is gonna save you now. Oh, whoops. New. 32 by 32. We're gonna make it like a transparent white. Yeah, that's transparent enough. Oops, not save as. Export. Beneath my skin. Alright, let's fill this up. I'm an idiot. I could just do this. There we go. Now the grid is filled. I should know what to do next. Well, first off, I need a reference to the tile. So I'll take what's mine and start this war. You'll find in the ashes fire. This pain persists, I can't resist. You know, I knew making a freaking tactical game would be hard. Why did I try to tackle it? I just really like grid-based movement. I don't know why. I just wanted to try it out, you know? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, think. Okay, okay. I think I got it. Because, I'm gonna turn that down. Okay, so, in Sparky Sparky Boom Guy, uh, we find out, where the bomb is gonna explode by having the bomb, put in its own coordinates to the map destroyer, which calculates what cell it's at based on its position. So if we do the same thing with, say, the player, every time it moves, it'll update its position to the game manager. Yes. That can work. Maybe. The only way to test that out is to rearrange the player for now. The player and enemy. Let's move him -5 should be 5 guy. Thank you. And then we can put the enemy to right here. Doesn't matter the exact position as long as it's occupying the area of the cell. We can get its local position, convert it into a cell position. Yes, yeah, this can actually work actually. Okay, so let's do this. In unit controller, we're gonna make a method called, it's gonna be public void get, wait, no, is it void? Because we want to send info get cell position. What is it called in Map Destroyer? Oh, okay, that's fine. We need a reference to the game manager, so let's make it a singleton. Where was that post at? Okay, right there. Alright, so it's a singleton. Let's go to unit controller. Public. Nope. Private. It needs to be private. Let's put that. Whatever. It can be anywhere. Private. Game manager. GM. On start. No. On awake. On start. It's fine. Come on. On start, GM equals game manager dot instance. Alright. So then let's go back into game manager. Delete this, we don't need that. Make a method called public void reposition unit, and it will take in a vector 2 called world position or world pose, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so then it would have to be a vector 3 int. Interesting. Okay, so it actually is going to return something. It's going to return I guess it could return a vector 2. Let's see if we can cast a vector 3 int into a vector 2. Vector 2. And then we can go tile map. Wait, no. Vector 3 int represents of 3 vectors and points using integers. Called cell position. And it equals tile map. Oh my god, spell, please. Tile map dot world to cell, and we'll take in the world position. And then return the cell position. Nope, that doesn't work. But can we cast it to vector 2? Vector 2 is a type which is not valid in a given context. Oh, wait, no, I put it in the wrong spot. My bad. Vector 2. Cannot convert type vector 3 into vector 2. Really? That sucks. Did I do it in Map Destroyer? Let me look at my code real quick. Wait, there is code in this where I position something in the exact middle of that cell. Don't I? I think it is an explode cell. Get tile. If it's a wall tile, destructible tile. Vector 3, position 2. Get cell. Oh, interesting. Well, dude, I'm gonna go and get some sleep, and even though you're planning my demise, I still have a lot of fun hanging out with you and Kuma and Danny earlier today. Yeah, I actually had fun today. It was really cool. I may or may not kill you in your sleep, but hey, the magic's in the mystery. Night, dude. I'll talk to you tomorrow. I'll see you at your stream, hopefully, if I'm not too busy, because I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. Alright, so I can use the vector 2 int. I can use the vector 2 int, pass it in as a vector 2 position. Vector 3 position. Okay. I can do that. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. So get cell center world. That's what I need. So forget that. Actually, forget all this. So the next thing we gotta do is vector 3 cell pose again. Let it equal tile map dot world. What is it? What's this? Get the logical center coordinate of a grid cell in world space. Oh. Get cell center. Yeah, that's what I was looking for, right? Get cell center. Yeah. That's what I wanted. And we'll pass in the cell position. And it'll return a vector 3, not a vector 2. Unless I can return it as that? Hold on, let me double check. I can! Cool. Okay. That's perfect, because I only need the vector 2. I don't need to change the Z position, so that's fine. Yeah. So then let's go back into the unit controller. We're gonna go GM. Hold on. Transform dot position equals GM dot. What did I call it? Reposition unit. Reposition unit. And we'll pass in transform dot position. Right? Yeah, because that's a vector 2. Okay. So on start, we call get cell position. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so then if that's correct, I actually probably don't need get cell position. I can just call it from here or whatever. Maybe. I don't know. Depends. So if that's correct, if all that works, the player and the enemy should snap to the middle of the cell that they are currently touching. Cross your fingers. It worked. Shoot! Yeah. Question though, the player shouldn't be that low to the grid though. He should be at least a little higher. Now, is that because of how I designed him? It can't be, because I have at least 1 pixel up. Maybe I should have put him directly in the middle. Doesn't matter. It works. Actually, maybe I should bring it up just a little bit. Like, if I go... Yeah, that works. So then... Was that a plus 0.05? Yeah, it was a plus 0.05. I think I do have, like, offsets that I can put in. Okay, yeah. Plus equals new vector 2 0.05. There we go. That should work. Float. My bad. Nope, that doesn't work. Cool. Is ambitious on operators of type vector 3 and vector 2. Fine, I'll just make it a vector 3. And then add in 0. Whatever, doesn't matter. Alright, so now they should be properly aligned. Yeah! Love it! Alright, I think I did enough work for today, because it's getting late. But, we got our grid kinda sorta working. Now we just gotta be able to make them move about the grid. And set up the turns and all that stuff. That should be fun. That should be easy. Not easy, fun. Yeah. Alright, cool. Did I need the tile? I don't think I needed the tile. No, I didn't need the tile at all. But we'll, let me comment to that. Might not need tile. Delete later. Save. Alright. Time to end the stream, because we are donezo. Alright guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Let me check to see if there's anybody on that I can raid. Oh, Scott Falco is playing Risk of Rain too. I'm about to play that after I end this. And no, nobody's on that I know. Cool. Alright, so that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I'll be on tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah. So, until next time, guys, go make magic. See you laters.